basic SAS using enterprise guide. So here is the FTP, and when you type on a URL you can download the codes. I just downloaded for you here. This is code all. Here are two folder inside the 61625. Now you can adjust here in your computer in any drive. I just start here. I just type here. I just use this one as a SAS EG. This one I make shortcut to here. Same here. Now let's start to SAS enterprise guide. When you start this enterprise guide, first start from set the environment, go to the tool menu and option. First you reset all options. Now you set one by one. First tool options, result journal. First use for our requirement for this code is set RDF. We report the we get the print report in RDF format. Now the result now select the RDF and the style is select themes. Now next option is task, general task. Delete all the footnote. Now select the queries and select here automatic add column from input tables to result set of queries. Select here and press the OK button. Now you set the all environment regarding to our book code. Now when you open the user enterprise guide, the user interface is like that one, the process flow, project trees, task list. Now check one by one for all. Go to the view, maximize workspace. So workspace is our process flow, so we can maximize, and again we click here and restore that one. Workspace layout, single, stack, side by side. Now I click the stack. Here are we select this one. This way is we use in the future, but just keep in mind here is one option. Now I select again this one. Go again with view. Here are many options: project tree, process flow, task list, SAS folders, server list, prompt manager, project log, task status. So task status is here, and also the main is important is task list. So three windows are most important: the task list, process flow, and task status. In the task list, here are all four icons we show here: task list, SAS folders, server list, prompt manager. So four icons are here. So now select one by one. This all our folders. These are all servers, and here are. So this is the all environment of our project. Now we learn how to import the data into EG. First we import SAS dataset. So just go to file, open dataset, and here is our dataset. We open this one, water. So here is our data, water. Now we close this one. Now we see here is the if we close the data set, but here is the shortcut exists there. Now we just import data. Import data is in local file. We just import we import just text file, which is here is the wave. When you import the data, here is the there are four steps. One of is the import data from this is location, file path, data type. This automatically get from environment. So next is here is delimiter, field tab. Here is also preview for data. There are others option. File contains field name on record number. Data record started the column record number. Limit the number of record read to. Rename column to comply with SAS naming conversion. So next, so here is the define field attribute. So here is actually the modifier. Okay, next. So we get the data. We can also get the data from like Microsoft. Get data from Microsoft Excel. Same thing. First step. Worksheet name. From Excel. if we import from we go for if we have a license that we can import data from MS Access. So this is the technique for importing data into EG. How to assign a library in EG. So first go to tools, assign project library, and here is give it the name. I give CH chapter 1. Next, engine or file name is okay. Cross the path. This is the physical path. Options of library, and test the library. Library is okay. Finish, and we create the library here. Here is the all codes. Lip name, this one. Now again import the data. Open data set, water, now we modify our data. So first we modify by using queries. So we add the column by using queries. So open the query builders. We can now open from here computed column or through this icon. These are the same. So open here and we select advanced expression. Next, now here we use our basically here are our third column is hardness, we just find out the log of this column. So we just first select priorities functions and select the log, function, double click the log and just replace the values, because this is the numeric. So select column and here is the hardness, just double click it. Next, we give the name, next, we just complete our query, so run here. Now we find log hardness, the log of the hardness column. So we can add the column by computational method. Now we using another method. We select the query builders and we want to add a column, such a column which we group a variable, like grouping variable. So first we select the same process, computed column, select from here, computed column, new computed column. So here we use record column, select next. We just grouping of this hardness variable, so select hardness and we will add the value. Replace with 1 with the value of 1 to range is 15. Okay, another, two, replace with 16 to $60. Add third, replace with 3. Limit is 61 to 138. Now here is the other options. Replace all other values with the current value, the missing value, specify a value. So for our customization we can use this one. So next, give the column name group hardness. Next, finish, and you can see the computed columns here. Now run here. So through this we can we have another column, group hardness. So we group we have grouped the hardness column into group hardness column. Now we use another filter. Now if we need to a subset data where we need only location for south, so we can get from here sort and filter. Through this we click on filter description is location, is equal to, select the value, select the south, okay, and we need another one. So basically there is where queries exist. You can show the preview. So here is all our south data. Okay, so if we load this one, so we get only the data of south. So we can make like this one, we can make a separate data. We split the data. Okay, now how can we join the table? So here is the option for data append. And we add the table. We select the original table water and join this one. This is our query table, which is here, and we join this one, the water table. Okay, so run this here. Now we get the result for the append. Here is the see the location is south, and this is the first data, and after this one is the second data. we get the second data. Now if we join the table, how we can do this one? Joining the table is from query builder. Here is the option of join table. Click here. Here is our one table which is display here. I just add table. So we join here the two tables. We can delete this one. So we have an inner join, and if we need to something add, like join with T3 or just like this one, okay, we can get this one. Okay, so I just delete this query. I close the table and I run it. So these are the common in both data set. So we get the original data set. And if we close this one, we saw here all our options. So this is our project. We can save his here like that one. Save project. The computer. Project 1. Save it.